Okay. In this video, we are discussing about the derivative of functions in parametric forms. So, which equations are called, which type of equations are called parametric equations? See what? Say the relation between the variables x and y defined as x is equals to f of t and y is equal to g of t are said to be parametric forms. Parametric equations are parametric forms. So these one derivatives. So these derivatives, so how we are finding the parametric equations derivatives? How we are finding using the derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. This is nothing but f dash of t. Here the y derivative with respect to t is dy by dt, that is equals to g dash of t. Now the derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equals to what I am writing using dy by dt into dt by dx I am writing. That means here multiply and divide with dt. This is equals to what I am writing using dy by dt by dx by dt I am writing. This first position I written in third position. So dy by dt is equals to g dash of t. Dx by dt is f dash of t, which is equals to dy by dx is equals to. So this is the derivative of the parametric equations. That is dy by dx is equals to just remember this one, dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt is equals to what? dy by dx is equals to what? dy by dt by dx by dt. Otherwise derivative of g by derivative of f. Okay, especially remember this one. In maximum problems we are using this step only, so you remember this formula. Okay, you see one example, that is the textbook example only I am solving now. Example 34. If x is equals to a cos theta and y is equals to a sin theta, find dy by dx. How we are finding? You see the derivative on both sides with respect to theta. So x derivative is dx by d theta is equals to a into cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Cos theta derivative of minus sin theta. Now derivative on both sides with respect to theta. Y derivative is dy by d theta is equals to a into sin theta derivative cos theta. Now what we need to find? Dy by dx. That is dy by dx is equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is equals to a cos theta, dx by dt is minus a sin theta. So a you can say cos theta by minus sin theta is minus cot theta. Cos by sin is cot, so minus cot theta. This is the solution. So like this we are finding the derivatives of parametric functions. See one more question. This is example 34. Okay. Next example 35. 35 example, you see example number 35. Find dy by dx if x is equals to a t square comma y is equals to 280. These are the parametric equation of the parabola. These are the parametric equations of parabola. Okay. So anyhow we have parametric equations. We need to find dy by dx. Solution, you see, x is equal to 8 square. Now derivative on both side with respect to t here, because x and y is the variable of t only. So that I am finding the derivative of x with respect to t. X derivative is dx by dt is equals to a into t square derivative 2t. So this is equals to 2a. Now y is equals to 280, derivative on both sides with respect to t. So y derivative is dy by dt is equals to 2a into t derivative 1. This is equals to 2a. Now dy by dx is equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is equals to 2a and dx by dt is 2a. 2a to you can say 1 by t is the answer. 1 by t is the answer. Understood? Next to 36 example. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x is equals to a into theta plus sin theta, comma y is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Solution: x is equals to a into theta plus sin theta. So derivative on both sides with respect to what here? Because both x and y is the variable of theta y. So that we are taking derivative with respect to theta y. So dx by d theta is equals to a into theta derivative is 1 plus sin theta derivative is cos theta. Right? This is the dx by dt. Now y is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. Right? Derivative on both sides with respect to theta. Y derivative dy by d theta is equals to a into 1 derivative 0 minus cos theta derivative minus sin theta. Cos theta derivative minus sin theta. So here minus or minus plus sin theta. So the total result is a sin theta. Now dy by dx is equals to, this is equals to what? Dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt. What is the dy by dt? A sin theta. By dx by dt is a into 1 plus cos theta. A into 1 plus cos theta. So here a is get cancelled. Cos theta is sin theta is equals to from submultiple angles. Sin theta is equals to from submultiple angles. I am writing 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now by 1 plus cos theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Here angle is half of the angle only. So that what we are getting? Here this is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Cos theta by 2 square get cancelled. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is equals to tan theta by 2. This is the answer. What is the answer? Tan theta by 2 is the answer. Now next example 37. 37. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. This is not a parametric equation. This is the general equation only. So how we are finding the derivative? We say solution x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. You take derivative on both sides with respect to x. So this one in the form of x to the power of n. X to the power of n derivative is n into x power of n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. So this is 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1 into x derivative with respect to x 1 only plus y to the power of 2 by 3 derivative 2 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 and y derivative is dy by dx equal to a power 2 by 3 derivative. A power 2 by 3 is a constant, so constant derivative is 0. Constant derivative is 0. So 2 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1. So 3 LCM 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equals to this term and again to the right side. So minus 2 by 3 into x power of 2 by 3 minus 1 is also minus 1 by 3. Both sides 2 by 3 get cancelled. X power of minus m is equals to 1 by x to the power of m. So similarly this is 1 by y to the power of 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equals to minus x to the power of minus 1 by x minus 1 by x to the power of 1 by 3. This is 1 by y power of 1 by 3 I am taking into right side. So dy by dx is equals to minus of y power of 1 by 3 by x power of 1 by 3. This is minus y by x whole power of 1 by 3. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus third root of y by x. This is the solution. Okay. Here without using the parametric equations I find. So actually in examination they are not asking by using the parametric equation find the derivative of this function, that function they are not asking. Just they are giving an equation. Next we need to find the derivative. So actually this is comes under the parametric equation. So this equation parametric functions we need to remember. So that is the extra work for us. So with using the parametric equation how we are solving I will show now. Just show here method 2. Let x is equals to a cos cube theta, y is equals to a sin cube theta. Then you find dx by dt and dy by dt. Then dy by dx is equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. You find it. Later you convert into this one. Then you are getting that answer. Okay. Y by x is equal to auto simplification. What you are getting, you see? That is a method 2. I am explaining now method 2. Method 1 this much only answer. Method 2 I am explaining now. In method 2, let x is equals to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. So dx by d theta is equals to x into cos cube theta derivative 3 cos square theta. Cos theta derivative minus sin theta. So this total result is minus 3x. This is a 3a into cos square theta sin theta. Now here dy by dt is equal to a into sin cube derivative 3 sin square theta. X cube derivative 3x square. So like sin theta derivative is cos theta. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. So that is dy by dt is 3a sin square theta cos theta by dx by d theta is minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. So 3a get cancel, sin theta square get cancel, cos theta square get cancel. What we got remaining? Sin theta by cos theta minus, so minus tan theta. So what next you see minus tan theta, we have now tan dx by dt is equal to dy by dx is equal to. Now you find y by x. What we are getting? Y by x is equal to y is a sin cube theta, x is a cos cube theta. So a get cancelled. This is tan cube theta. So you apply both sides third rule. So this is equal to tan theta. So from tan theta is equal to what we are writing now? Minus third root of y by x. Minus third root of y by x. Like this we are writing. You see once again carefully, then you are getting this answer. Better to remember the first method. Method one is easy. Solving an examination. This is the method for example. These are the examples before exercise 5.6. In next video we are solving exercise 5.6.